Good evening, viewers, and welcome to a new edition and a new segment. That's the third segment in your network, that's D.Network, and I'm Sricharan. In this edition, Anish will be joining me, and it's going to be a packed edition, viewers. The third segment in the first 3 months, viewers. That's D.India Focus every weekend edition, D.Opinion every alternate week edition, and now D.Informative. We are growing step by step and brick by brick with all your support, viewers, in terms of viewership and in terms of subscribers. This young team of mine is working hard towards bringing up something new and segments which you require. In this edition, Anish will be speaking about what if there was no moon on Earth, what are the changes which would happen, and how did moon come into existence, and much more. An informative edition, viewers, and do subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Over to Anish.
I'm Anish. Let's look at what would happen if there was no moon on Earth. Moon has been the dearest friend of all of us since ages. People look at the night sky and slowly portray moon as calm, loving, etc. Before going on to what would happen without a moon, let's first know how did moon come into existence. This has also been the most debatable topic. It is said that the giant impact theory, which states that moon formed from collision between early Earth and rocky body called Theia. There are many research going on on this topic. Let's look at the research in the further coming video. But let's now look at the 5 changes in our life if there was no moon on Earth. First, night would be much darker. The next brightest object in the night sky is Venus, but it still won't be enough to light up the sky. A full moon is nearly 2000 times brighter than Venus. Second, a moonless Earth would also change the size of ocean tides, making them about 1/3 as high as they are now. Third one, forget about seeing the lunar eclipse or solar eclipse. Without the moon, there would be nothing to block the sun. Fourth one, without the moon, the tilt of our Earth's axis would vary over time. This could create some wild weather. Now, thanks to our moon, our axis stays tilted at 23.5 degrees. But without the moon, Earth might tilt too far over or hardly tilt at all, leading to no seasons or even extreme seasons. Fifth, the length of a day would remain constant. You might not think about it much, but the moon exerts a tiny little force on the spinning Earth, causing our rotation rate to slow down over time. We might only lose a second here or there over many centuries, but it adds up over time. Our 24 hours day was only 22 hours back when dinosaurs roamed the Earth, and was under 10 hours a few billion years ago. In another 4 million years, we won't need leap days any longer in our calendar, as the rotation rate slows and the length of the day continues to get longer. But without a moon, all that would cease. It would be 24 hours day every single day to come, until the sun itself ran out of fuel and died. Thank you. Signing off, Anish.